Welcome to Ethereum breakdown. Here I will be doing a quick breakdown of where Ethereum is going in terms of a long-term perspective, and also if you want to intraday trade it this week. So this is episode 1. Like, share and subscribe, guys. I will be touching on Bitcoin, Ethereum and XRP once a week just so you can see where it is going. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to do a full top-down analysis on where Ethereum is going and how to break down the charts. First of all, you want to start on the weekly time frame and you want to mark your point of reaction. So that's where price turns from bullish to bearish or bearish to bullish. Remember, you always want to look on the left side of the chart. You're looking at the history. So you've got a nice high low here on the weekly time frame. We're going to mark this level here. So that's acting as support. You've got another one here, which is acting as resistance, and you've got another one here. So that's at the weekly time frame. You can see it is approaching the weekly resistance. So if price breaches it on the long-term perspective, you can expect price to breach it, retest it and go up, or you can see price potentially make a range like Bitcoin is now, use this as a resistance and potentially go down to this region here or even here. So that's how you do your long-term perspective of Ethereum, if you're hodling, that is. So if you got a bit of Ethereum in your portfolio, you just want to hold it, buy and sell long term. This is how you would do it on the weekly and daily time frame. Next, what you do is you go into the daily time frame. You want to mark your higher highs and higher lows. So once again, I'm just going to use this box zone to mark my zone. So as you can see, this is the most recent higher low. What is a higher low? Where price moves from bearish to bullish. As you can see, it made a high high, a high low. Price moves from bearish to bullish and it went back up. So I like my daily in red. We'll go ahead and do that. And now we're looking for resistance. Remember, you want to trap the price between two levels. As you can see, that's where the high low is. You can see massive rejection. Just zoom in. You can see rejection on, look at this massive wick on Wednesday and Thursday as well. Got inverted hammerhead, price potentially going down. Well, that's what it indicates, but obviously price is still going up. So what I do is I use this as a daily level here, and then you go into the H4 time frame. You want to trap the price between two levels. So here we've got two daily levels. Now we want it to break it down on a smaller time frame and make it within the H4. So what I would do is get the box again. This is the most recent high low. Look at this massive wick here. Rejection of sellers to push the price down. So I'd use this as a H4 level. Change that to yellow. You can have your zones any colors, guys. I just like mine in this specific. I'm just used to it. So I know yellow is H4. As you can see, price is on a daily, potentially rejecting. Obviously, it's forming a high low as well. So this week, if you were trading Ethereum, you could, where is it? You could look for a sell potentially tomorrow if you trade in London session. Obviously, market's open now for crypto, but you could potentially look for a sell tomorrow. But let's break it down even further. So this is a time frame that I use on my laptop, H1 time frame. This is the time frame I analyze the charts on, so it's in the background when I'm doing my own thing. So remember, you want to trap the price between two levels once again. So let's do that. You can use the Fibonacci tool this time. So you've got high low here, high low, high, high. So now it's in a bit of a range. So what I would do is I'd use this high low. So you go here, go on to the Fibonacci tool, Fib retracement, go from this high low. You could use this one as well, but it's on a H4. I'd use this, it's the most recent one on Friday. And also you can see it's rejected it here as well. So I'll use it from the wick to the most recent higher high, and then I'd go ahead and use support and resistance. So I like my H1 in blue. So there you go. I've drawn the support level, which is rejected today, and resistance. So price is in between this level. And what you could do is tomorrow, if you trade in London session, prices near this level in the H4 and the daily and even H1, you could look for a sell trade potentially tomorrow. And if price goes down, you could use this as a TP level. And and then TP2, target profit 2 would be this H4 level here. So, but if obviously price breaches the H4 and continues to be bullish, you can expect it to breach this, use it as a support now, and this would be TP1 minus 23, or it could go all the way to 61 minus 61%, which is 3,560, and obviously that coincides with the weekly resistance that we have. So we can see how we won't know if price is bearish or bullish till it breaches this resistance. It either goes up or rejects it and goes down. So that's the analysis on the intraday time frame if you're looking for a trade tomorrow. In terms of long-term perspective, if we go on the daily, I expect Ethereum to, I expect it to hit this level here of 3,590. The way bullish is, how bullish Bitcoin is as well, I expect Ethereum to continue to be going up, and obviously you can use your trend lines as I've shown in previous videos. I expect price to hit this region here, 3,600 approximately. The way it is, it's forming a high low, it's still within the trend line, it's going up. Obviously it's potentially rejecting from this daily resistance, but could just be forming a high low, which it is. But yeah, you won't know till Monday, Tuesday, when there's a bit of liquidity in the market. And then obviously long-term perspective, if it does reach this weekly resistance, price can either reject it and go down, or it can form a range, use it as support and go up to this level here. So long term could be 4,800, and if Bitcoin hits its all-time high again, you could expect Ethereum to go somewhere here as well. But yeah, that's my analysis, guys. Let me know if you agree or disagree or what your thoughts are. Like, share and subscribe. This is episode 1 of Ethereum. I will touch upon this next Sunday as well, so stay tuned, guys. More to come. Peace.